Every successful construction job begins with a winning bid. That's why we created ProEst Cloud. And it's time for you to see it in action. Our demonstration is the perfect way to learn what ProEst has to offer. From a feature-rich cloud platform and user-friendly interface, to self-guided training modules and outstanding technical support. First, we'll talk about the estimating processes you currently have in place. Then, explore how ProEst functionality can help you improve them. Next, we'll walk you through the entire ProEst estimating experience, from initial logon to finished bid. And because our demonstration is 100% interactive, any questions you have about ProEst will get answered right then and there. We think you'll agree that a ProEst demonstration is time well spent for you and your company. Because sometimes you have to see for yourself how good an estimating platform can be.